Hey everyone, in this session we are going to learn about create file activity. So let's stop our console and create a new process. So we will be creating a new process. Right click on project and then new, then business works process. Name it as create file. Finish. As usual, take timer activity and the output of timer activity goes into create file. Let's configure create file. You can name anything here. Okay, description, tags. You can also check mark the override in case same file is already there, it will override the file. Name of the file you have to pass in here. So again, same thing. The address, take the address. Take the address and the file name. Anything, any name you can say. Say John. Okay, save it. So after giving the name of the file, just click on debug configurations. Select the proper process name. Here create file. So debug. Let's wait until it runs. Okay, the execution is completed. Okay. Let's go back in our folder and see whether the file is created. John.txt file is created. So that's it for this session. Thank you, people.